Most means the majority or the largest part of something. It refers to more than half but not all of a group or quantity. Think of it as the biggest portion without being everything. The core meaning of most is the majority or largest part of a group or quantity. It shows that something applies to more than half but not 100%. This word helps describe when most but not all things share the same quality. Most people like coffee means more than half of people enjoy coffee. Most students pass the test shows the largest part of students succeeded. Most of the food was eaten tells us the biggest portion of food got consumed. Most means the largest part in a general sense. Majority means specifically more than 50%. Use most people for general ideas, and the majority voted for exact counts over half. Most people refers to the largest general part of all people. The majority voted yes means exactly more than 50% said yes. Most furniture describes the biggest amount generally. Use most directly with plural nouns like most people or most students. Use most of with the or possessives like most of the people or most of my friends. Most is general while most of specifies a particular group. Most equals largest part in general situations. Majority means more than 50% specifically. Most goes with plural nouns directly. Most of needs the or my before the noun.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.